Hello everyone, welcome to Triag Manmoji channel. Today we are going to learn and write 10 lines on first aid box. So let's start. First aid box is important. It also known as first aid kit. It should be kept in homes, offices, schools, and vehicles. It has things to help when hurt. The box contains some essential items such as bandages, thermometer, cotton balls, antiseptic cream, etc. A first aid box. A first aid is for small accident. A first aid is for small accidents. Cotton is a useful to treat wounds. Cotton is useful to treat wounds, stop bleeding, and clean wounds. A thermometer checks our fever. There's medicine for pain. My mom keeps it in the kitchen. My mom keeps it in the kitchen. It should be kept in clean and dust and damp proof container. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.